In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Blender MSI Installer Error 2755 quickly and safely. This error is usually not Blender specific. It usually means Windows Installer cannot access the file, the cache, or the folder permissions needed to complete the setup. So if your Blender MSI is failing, freezing, or refusing to install, stick with me, because this guide will walk you through the exact fixes step by step. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. First, make sure you actually have permission to run the installer on your system. If this is a work computer, school computer, or office laptop, permission restrictions may be the real reason the installer is failing. If you do have access, go to your Blender MSI file and try running the installer normally first. If it still does not work, the next step is to use Command Prompt as administrator. Right-click Start, open Command Prompt Admin, and then run the MSI using the Windows Installer command. Type MSI exec, then space, then /i, then the full path to the MSI file. If needed, you can copy the file path directly from the folder where the installer is saved. After that, press Enter and let Windows try the install through the command line. This often fixes issues that happen when double-clicking the installer fails. If you still get error 2755, the most common real cause is a broken installer cache or bad folder permissions. Now go to C drive, then open the Windows folder. Inside C:\Windows, check whether there is an installer folder. If the installer folder is missing, create a new folder and name it installer. Once the folder exists, right-click it, open Properties, then go to Security. Make sure system has full control and administrators also have full control. Apply the same fix to the temp folder inside C:\Windows. A lot of installer errors happen because Windows cannot write temporary setup files properly, so this step is very important. Next, clean out temporary files if you can. Go to C:\Windows\temp and remove any leftover setup files that may be conflicting with the Blender installation. This can help clear corrupted installer data that keeps causing the same error. Another hidden cause on Windows 11 is where the MSI file is stored. If the installer is inside Downloads, on an external drive, or in a folder with restricted permissions, Windows may block it. To avoid that, move the MSI file to a simple local folder like your desktop or a folder on the C drive, then run it again as administrator. If you are still unable to install Blender because you do not have the right permissions, the easiest workaround is to use the Blender Portable version instead. Blender Portable usually comes as a zip file, which you can unzip and run directly without installing. That is a great option for lockdown systems where MSI installers are restricted. So to quickly recap, error 2755 usually means Windows installer cannot access the file or cache. The installer folder permissions are wrong. The temp folder is restricted, or the MSI is stored in a blocked location. Start with admin command prompt, then fix the installer and temp folders, clean temporary files, and if needed, use the portable version. I hope this guide saved you time and got Blender working again. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.